CDL exam prep 2022 through 2023, page 104, doubles and triples test continued. No, actually, this is Hazmat. This is the Hazmat test continued. Number 4, flammable solids are blank. A, not too dangerous when exposed to fire. B, not likely to combust into fire hazards. C, easily removed from accident areas. Or D, none of the above. The answer is C, easily removed from accident areas. Matches are examples of flammable solids. They fall under the Class 4 category of hazardous materials. Number 5. Even if you have a license, you are not allowed to carry which of the following? A, radioactive materials near where people are sitting. B, more than 500 pounds of hazardous materials. C, more than 100 pounds of a specific class of hazardous materials. Or D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. There are regulations regarding the number of hazardous materials a shipper is permitted to transport. You are not allowed to carry radioactive materials near where people are sitting. More than 500 pounds of hazardous materials, more than 100 pounds of a specific class of hazardous materials, and explosives near where people are sitting unless the cargo consists of small ammunition. Number 6. What's the intent of hazmat regulations? A, to punish offenders. B, to monitor commercial drivers who disobey the rules. C, to keep the road clean. Or D, to reduce the danger to drivers, passengers, and others. The answer is D, to reduce the danger to drivers, passengers, and others. Hazmat regulations exists for everyone's good. Their intent is to reduce the danger of hazmats, to inform drivers of the risks involved, and to ensure the safety of equipment and the drivers who are directly in contact with these hazardous materials. Number 7. Which of the following statements is true? A, shippers should inform drivers about the risk involved in transporting hazardous materials. B, shippers should obtain the right shipping papers. C, Shippers should provide information for emergency responses. Or D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Shippers need to inform drivers about the risk involved in transporting hazardous materials. Hazmat regulations instruct shippers to place a warning on every package the drivers are transporting. Obtain the right shipping papers, provide information for emergency responses, and place placards. Number 105, or page 105. Which of the following is true about markings? A, they help in the identification of cargo. B, they need to be placed on portable tanks and cargoes. C, they highlight the shipping name of every package on both sides. Or D, all of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. Markings help in identification. They should be placed on portable tanks and cargo tanks. They must highlight the shipping name of every content on both sides. The size of the shipping name should not be less than 2 inches in height if the capacity of the portable tank is more than 1,000 gallons, and 1 inch tall if the capacity is less than 1,000 gallons. Number 9. Which of the following should be your priority when marking the identification number? A, color. B, weight. C, design. Or D, visibility. The answer is D, visibility. Markings need to be visible to everyone. Color and design are not the main factors to be considered when making markings. Your priority should be how legible the inscriptions are. Ensure the identification number is on both sides and on the end of a bulk package that has a capacity of more than 1,000 gallons. And lastly, number 10. Whoever is loading hazardous material should stay blank feet from the tank. A, 15 feet. B, 25 feet. C, 30 feet. Or D, 35 feet. The answer is B, 25 feet. Loading a hazardous product requires great care to avoid accidents. While loading, be circumspect when handling containers that are made up of hazmats. Avoid using materials that may puncture or damage the package. The person loading the package should stay within 25 feet around the tank.